Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Flow.
Hi, everyone.
I'm Luwis.
And I'm Anna.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
This is a slow English podcast for learners who want to practice their listening and speaking,
We speak slowly and clearly, just for you.
so you can relax and enjoy learning English with us.
Anna, how are you today?
I'm really good, thank you for asking.
That's great.
I had a nice morning.
Oh, yeah?
I made a cup of tea and sat by the window for a while.
That sounds so peaceful.
It was.
I had a busy morning.
Oh no, what happened?
I missed my bus and had to walk to work.
Oh, Luwis, that's not a great start to the day.
No, it was not great.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm fine now.
Good.
I just needed a coffee.
Coffee fixes everything.
It really does.
So, Luwis, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I am.
Today we are talking about city life and village life.
Oh, that's interesting.
Which one is better?
That's a big question.
It is a big question, and there is no wrong answer.
I already have an opinion.
Good, we'll hear it later.
I can't wait to share it.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about where you live in English.
And you'll learn some really useful words and phrases.
Yes, exactly.
This is going to be a good one.
Before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, a very small one.
If you enjoy this podcast, please like this video.
It really helps us a lot.
And please subscribe to Daily English Flow so you never miss a new episode.
Think of it like this.
Oh, what are you thinking, Luwis?
Subscribing is like moving to a good neighborhood.
What do you mean?
Once you're there, good things keep coming to you.
Oh, I like that.
Thank you, thank you.
So please subscribe and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, now let's get into the good stuff.
Let's go. Okay, so let's start with part 1.
Great.
We're going to talk about city life first.
I live in a city, so I have a lot to say about this.
Perfect, but first, let's learn some vocabulary.
Yes, let's do that.
Today's vocabulary word is convenient.
Convenient.
Convenient means easy to use or easy to get.
Okay, I think I understand.
If something is convenient, it saves you time and effort.
Like having a supermarket near your house?
Exactly, that's a great example. Here is my first example sentence. Living in the city is very convenient because everything is close.
I see.
Here is another one. Public transport in the city is convenient because the buses come every 10 minutes.
Okay, let me try. My city is very convenient because there is a coffee shop on every street.
Oh, that's a good sentence, Luwis.
Really?
Yes, and I think that sentence is also very true for you.
It is completely true.
Great. So remember, convenient means easy to use or easy to get. Now let's talk about city life in general.
Okay, I'm ready.
Cities are usually very exciting places to live.
Yes, I agree with that.
Today's vocabulary word is exciting.
Exciting.
Exciting means something makes you feel happy and full of energy.
Like watching a football game.
Yes, exactly. Here is an example. The city is exciting because there are always new things to do.
Okay.
Another example. I love living in the city because it's exciting and never boring.
Let me try. The city is exciting because you can always find a new restaurant to try.
Perfect sentence, Luwis.
Thank you.
You used it exactly right.
I'm getting better at this.
You are. But city life also has some problems.
Oh, yes, it definitely does.
One big problem is traffic.
Oh, traffic.
Traffic means all the cars and buses and vehicles moving on the road.
Or not moving.
That's right.
Sometimes traffic means everything is stopped and no one is moving.
Exactly. We often say heavy traffic when the roads are very busy.
Like every morning when I go to work.
Here is an example sentence. The traffic in the city is very bad in the morning.
Yes, very true.
Another example. I was late because of heavy traffic.
I say that sentence every week.
I believe you, Luwis.
It's my most used sentence.
Another word we use about cities is crowded.
Crowded.
Crowded means there are too many people in one place.
Like the subway at 8 in the morning.
Yes, that's a great example. Here is a sentence. The city center is very crowded on weekends.
And one more?
The market was so crowded that I couldn't move.
Okay, let me try crowded in a sentence. The bus was very crowded, so I couldn't find a sit.
Oh, very good try, Luwis.
But,
Just one small thing.
oh no.
We say a seat, not a sit.
Oh, right. A seat.
The bus was very crowded, so I couldn't find a seat.
A seat.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll remember that.
You're doing great.
Thanks, Anna.
So let's quickly review.
Yes, let's do it.
City life can be exciting and convenient.
But it can also be crowded and have heavy traffic.
Perfect summary, Luwis.
I learn fast.
You really do. Now let's move on to village life.
Oh, I'm curious about this part.
Have you ever lived in a village, Luwis?
No, I haven't.
Really?
I've always lived in a city.
Interesting.
But I've visited small villages before.
What did you think?
Honestly, I loved it.
That's great to hear.
It was so different from city life.
Today's vocabulary word is peaceful.
Peaceful.
Peaceful means quiet and calm.
No noise, no traffic.
Exactly. Here is an example. The village was so peaceful that I could hear the birds singing.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Another example. I love sitting in the garden in the morning because it's so peaceful.
Let me try. The village feels peaceful because there are no cars or noise.
That is an excellent sentence.
Really?
Perfect. No corrections needed.
Wow, that almost never happens.
It happens more than you think. Another great thing about village life is the fresh air.
Oh yes, the air is so different there.
Fresh air means clean air that is not polluted.
In the city, the air is not always clean.
That's true. Here is an example. I love the village because there is fresh air everywhere.
And another one?
After a walk in the countryside, the fresh air made me feel so good.
Okay, my turn. The village has fresh air because there are no factories or heavy traffic.
Very nice, Luwis.
I'm on a roll today.
You really are. Now let's talk about the community in a village.
Oh, the people.
Yes, villages often have what we call a close-knit community.
Close-knit.
Close-knit means people in a group know each other well and help each other.
Like everyone knows their neighbors.
Exactly right. In a close-knit community, people look after each other.
Sounds really nice.
Here is an example. The village has a very close-knit community and everyone knows each other.
Another one?
I grew up in a close-knit community where neighbors always helped each other.
Okay, let me try. I think a close-knit community is good because you never feel alone.
Oh, Lewis, that's a beautiful sentence.
Thank you. I meant it.
And it's completely correct.
Yes.
Another phrase for village life is slow pace.
Slow pace.
Slow pace means life moves quietly and without rushing.
No stress, no hurry.
Exactly. Village life has a slow pace compared to city life.
I like that idea.
Here is an example. I enjoy the slow pace of village life because I feel less stressed.
Let me try. The slow pace of the village helped me relax and think clearly.
That's wonderful, Lewis.
Thank you.
Great vocabulary use.
I'm feeling very confident today.
Good, you should be. But village life also has some challenges.
Yes, right?
One challenge is that some things are not convenient.
Like hospitals or big shops.
Exactly.
In the city, everything is very close.
But in a village, you might need to travel far for some things.
That could be difficult sometimes.
Yes, it can be.
So both city and village life have good points and bad points.
That's exactly right.
I think I'm starting to understand both sides.
Good, because now we're going to practice talking about both sides. Now let's learn some very important phrases for comparing things.
Oh, I need these.
When we compare two things, we can use the phrase on the other hand.
On the other hand.
We use this when we want to show the opposite side.
Like a good point and then a bad point?
Exactly. Here is an example. City life is exciting. On the other hand, it can be very stressful.
Oh, I see how it works.
Another example. Village life is peaceful. On the other hand, it can feel lonely sometimes.
Okay, let me try. The city is convenient. On the other hand, it's also very expensive.
Perfect, Lewis.
I used both sentences.
Yes, and both are correct.
I'm impressed with myself.
You should be. Now let's learn another comparison word. However.
However,
However is similar to on the other hand.
okay, how is it different?
We usually use however to contrast two sentences.
Can you show me?
Of course. City life is very busy. However, I enjoy the energy and the excitement.
Okay.
Another example. Village life is quiet. However, some people find it too quiet.
Let me try. Living in the village sounds wonderful. However, I don't want to leave my city job.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah?
That sentence is natural and correct.
I feel like a real English speaker right now.
You are a real English speaker, Lewis.
Thank you, Anna.
Now let's learn our opinion phrases.
Oh, yes, I need these because I have a strong opinion.
Okay, but let's learn the phrases first.
Yes, okay.
The first phrase is, I think.
Simple.
Yes, very simple and very useful. I think city life is better because everything is close.
I think village life is more relaxing.
Perfect, Lewis.
Easy.
The next phrase is, in my opinion.
In my opinion.
This is a little more formal than I think, but still easy to use.
Okay.
In my opinion, fresh air is very important for good health.
In my opinion, traffic is the worst thing about city life.
Oh, I agree with that one.
I knew you would.
And the last opinion phrase is, I prefer because.
I prefer because.
This is great because it tells your opinion and gives a reason.
I prefer coffee because it wakes me up faster than tea.
Oh, that has nothing to do with city or village life.
I know, but it's true.
Yes, it is true.
Okay, let me try a real one. I prefer city life because everything is convenient.
That's a perfect sentence.
And also true.
Now, listeners, it's your turn to think about your answer.
Do you prefer city life or village life?
Use the phrase, I prefer because,
Try it in your head right now.
or say it out loud if you can.
No one is listening. It's okay.
Practice makes perfect. Okay, Lewis, I want to hear your full opinion now.
Oh, finally.
Tell me, city life or village life?
Okay. I prefer city life because it's very convenient.
Good start.
In my opinion, the city has more opportunities for work.
That's a great point.
However, I think the city is too crowded sometimes.
So you see both sides.
Yes. On the other hand, I love the fresh air and peace of village life when I visit.
So what is your final answer?
I prefer city life for working, but village life for relaxing.
Oh, that's a very balanced answer.
I'm a very balanced person.
What do you think, listeners?
We want to know your opinion.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's do it.
Lewis, can you tell me the first thing we talked about?
Yes. We talked about city life. Cities are exciting and convenient, but they can be crowded and have heavy traffic.
Perfect.
Did I get it right?
You got it completely right.
Okay, the second thing. We talked about village life. Villages are peaceful and have fresh air and a close-knit community.
Excellent.
But the pace of life is slower, and some things are not convenient.
That's a great summary.
And the third thing. We learned phrases for comparing and giving opinions.
Yes, like what?
Like, on the other hand, however, I think, in my opinion, and I prefer, because.
Lewis, that was fantastic.
I even surprised myself.
You covered everything.
I really did.
Today's vocabulary words were convenient, exciting, peaceful, fresh air, crowded, close-knit community, and slow pace.
Those are all really useful words.
Yes, and now you can use them in your own conversations.
Practice is the key.
That's exactly right. Before we go, I have a question for you.
A comment question.
Yes, write your answer in the comments below in English.
Even a short answer is great.
Here is the question. Do you prefer city life or village life, and why?
Use the phrase, I prefer because.
We would love to read your answers.
We really do read all the comments.
So please share your opinion with us. And please remember to like this video if it helped you today.
Your like helps more people find our podcast.
And subscribe to Daily English Flow so you never miss an episode.
We have new episodes every week.
Share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
One share can help someone a lot.
That's true.
So thank you for listening today.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
You did something great today.
You practiced your English, and that's something to be proud of.
Every minute of practice brings you closer to fluency.
So keep going, keep listening, and keep speaking.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Happy learning!